is the color temperature of the room. If I had to guess, looking just up at the lights that we have available, we're looking at like 45 to 5,000 Kelvin, right?
Kelvin, yeah.
And you feel like you got a pretty good shot?
I feel like that's what yeah.
So I would like everybody to try to go into their camera and set their color temperature to 5,000 or 4,500. And if you need help, I'll come by and help. Or Andrew,
Raise your hand, not your palms.
First, with this guy, this monitor is mostly to just look at the picture. You get some other tools and stuff.
Okay.
Messing with this guy, but we'll worry about that later.
But that's the main monitor.
This is the main monitor where you control all your stuff.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna be real honest with you and say I don't exactly know how to control this camera, but I know I can figure it out. So it's gonna be around here, because I've not personally used this one.
Okay.
And it might be on this side here too. We're looking for menu. You smell really nice.
Thank you.
Because what this is, I don't know if you explained exactly. So this here, this physical part is the actual camera.
Okay.
All these other things are like attachments to help you with the job. So, but what that does is it gets it in the way of your actual buttons here.
Okay.
Then you need to click. Yeah, right here, your menu. And that should have opened up here.
Okay, yes it did.
So now we have menu here. And if this is touch screen, we might be able to. Let me put this down real quick, actually.
Do you want me to hold that for you?
it's
I can
in
put it
there.
over there,
There's
thank
a lot
you.
of professionals will have show LUTs and what they call show LUTs, creative LUTs.
So this is a little tricky, like I said, because there's all this stuff in the way.
So we're just going to take
It's not usually like that.
down to 4,500. And you'll notice as you're doing that, he's going to go from
You press menu again.
I press menu again because I'm just
Trying to
experimenting
toggle
with
through the
things.
settings.
Yeah. So right now, yeah, these are like your main. I don't
Lighting.
know. Yeah, I don't know how much you're like familiar
Nothing.
with
I'm like
cameras at all.
barely.
So he's he'll go over the basics, but because I don't want to.
Well, just talk, and when I don't understand, I'll.
So these are like the elements of the exposure triangle.
Okay.
So you have shutter speed, aperture, and ISO.
Okay.
I'll leave it at that because I think he'll get into that more.
Okay.
What he was talking about with the color is what's called white balance.
Right.
And that basically, you're like telling the camera what the color white is.
Right.
And because from where you decide, where the camera knows white is how it determines all
color,
the other colors.
exactly.
So it's the whole spectrum like that. So that's why it's important to figure that out. And so right here, that's where it says color temperature. It's the same thing as white balance.
Okay.
So we're gonna go into here.